So BSc Playground projects have evolved since 2006, when we first started thinking about a way in which we would develop the building. I guess it's not surprising that at Battersea Arts Centre we didn't just immediately think building project, right, what would we like the outputs, what would we like the building to look like when it's finished? We did ask that question, but we also, crucially, as importantly as that question, asked how would we like to do this? How are we going to go about this? Who's going to be involved? How do we make the process a creative one? How do we engage a wider public? And I think all of those things are fundamental to the organisation, and so they became fundamental to Playground projects. So BSc Playground projects effectively take the principles of Scratch Theatre, the way that we make theatre, and apply them to architecture. So the idea of taking risks, the idea of trying something out before it's finished, the idea of then potentially building the idea over time, building a team around the idea and other feedback and influences that enrich that idea. And then when you commit to the idea beyond Scratch, or in our case, beyond the master plan, you fully commit to the idea, you really know in your heart that it's the right idea, that it's the right thing to do. And so BSc Playground projects are simply trying to take those Scratch principles and apply them to architecture.